Video of LeetCode series. Today we are going to solve question number 367, valid perfect square. Let's read the statement. Given a positive integer num, return true if num is a perfect square or false otherwise. A perfect square is an integer that is the square of an integer, and in other words, it is a product of some integer with itself. You must not use any built-in library function such as sqrt. Mainly, we have to just find the num is perfect square or not, and we have not the permission to use built-in method like square root. And let's see the example. You can see that in example number one, num is equal to 16, and output is equal to true because the 16 is a square of 4. And in example number 4, you can see that the num is equal to 14 and output is false because the 14 is not perfect square of any integer. You can see that the 14 is the perfect square of 3.7. This is not a perfect integer number. That's the reason is the output is false. We will just use the binary search method for the implementation. Let's see that long. I am using long because in case the number such in case must long, that's the reason is we are using the long, and the left is equal to 1, and long right is equal to num. That's it. And in while loop, left less than is equal to right, and for mid, left plus divided by 2, and long square is equal to mid into mid. That's it. And the if in case square is equal to num, then we will just return true. And else if square less than num, then we will just left is equal to mid plus 1. That's it. And in else condition, right is equal to mid minus 1. That's it. In case condition is not true, then we will just return false. Let's run this. Maybe here is some issue. 1 second. Let me check. Here, sorry, here is plus. We have now is equal to, and that's it. You can see that our two test cases are passed. Well, this is just binary search. Here we used the binary search. Here you can see that the if the square is of the mid is equal to num, then we are just returning true. I will explain you with the example number one. You can see that the 16 example number num is equal to 16. If we use the num is equal to 16, then the mid is equal to becomes the 8, and square is equal to 8 into 8, it will become 64. 64 is not is equal to the num, and the in if else if condition, you can see that the if square less than num, but the square is greater than num, so it will go for else, and the right will become the mid minus 1. Mid was the 8, and minus 1, it will become the 7. Right is equal to 7, and we will just find it again. and the it will become made 4, and the if the 4 is equal to uh, 4 square of 4 is equal to num the in case this is the true, because 16 is the square of 4, and it will it comes true, and it will gives the true, and just submit it. uh, you can see that our all test cases are passed, and the for the time complexity is of log n, because we are using the binary search, and for the binary search the time complexity always of log n, and the time space complexity is of 1. And thank you for watching.